Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Ka Office Trikam jong District Mission Coordinator SSA West Jaiñtia Hills hakathong man kenteu yi puli puti hapo ke district kat kum bala bu thong bat project dak deka RTE Act arajar khandai haga arpotrik ulber kala penlong ye ke program ai Jinghikai Kyrpang nega benta ki principal ki head teacher jong ki school ha ki inclusive education resource center mi mentedu kathong jong ni program kalong man pensyai be pensung tho ye ki principal head teacher jong ki school syapang ka kamram ki bor penya jong ki school ha ka Jingïadei bat ki Khynnah badan jingduna ha ki khot med badru Kyrpang syapang ki hok jong ki Khynnah kat kum ka RPWD Act arajar khat hreu LK Singh District Coordinator IESSA West Jaiñtia Hills habakren kumure syapang uria tho badon lai tali ki school Kyrpang naga benta ki Khynnah badan jingduna ha ki ba latip kum ka school for mental retardation niki mental illness school for visually impaired but ka school for hearing impaired ula ongru bahapo ka jela ki school Kyrpang naga benta ki Khynnah badan jingduna kidang duna bha wala kataru kat bakot la ibor kum ki breu ka SSA ki leyale ban ai ka jing syakri ka babhatam ni ki Khynnah da ka babu ya ki IE volunteers bat ki BRP IE haman la ki blog shishu la keren bat batairu syapang ka National Trust Act bat arpuai tali ki Jingpang ki bapen hab hapo ka RPWD Act arajar khat hreu.
What kind of a school is this? What school are you going to teach today? That school is not of what? Special education. It's a special for them only. Tapi tangan tajam ki. And in such kind of special education, there are lots of schools which carry the needs of the special needs. For example, we are talking about a school for children with mental retardation, school for children with hearing impairment, school for children with visual impairment. Dalam kata school di dalam dalam ki. Kamu ki Khynnah ki budan Jingduna ha bawa perkhat kinai beta ha kata school kaba Jinghikai tang itu kita Khynnah. Lani kanu school kaba Jinghikai tang itu ki banglat tak keren ki bakundu. Lani kalau orang kanu special school kaba de tang la mata ki Khynnah ki ba. Mata. Yes, there is a school for children with special needs. But the fact is that this special education, even in Meghalaya, there is a special education school. Do you know that? Kita no? Hey, kadang orang Jaiñtia, special school. School you come. Nangba, one of your mama colleagues telling Nangba. What's the word that is being used nowadays? So mental retardation, instead of mental retardation, we are using the words what? Intellectual. Just so we cannot use the word mental retardation. Mental retardation is the word that has been used before. Now, so there are resource persons or resource teachers who are specialized in the field of intellectual disability. There are resource teachers who are specialized in the field of hearing impairment, and there are teachers who are specialized in the field of visual impairment. But you may not find, or you'll find a very less resource teachers who are skilled in all the areas. Pinyo duna Jinghikai ki banang haka mental ru, ki banang haka hearing learning, ki banang haka visually impaired. Kamu kamya yung kita kita specialize kita haka wika area lang haka wika. In nakata the one pinu